What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. So I'm here in Pattaya city. It's like the east coast is what my friend over here is telling me of Thailand. We got here yesterday and I didn't really kind of do anything of type of filming. I just filmed some workouts. We went out in the evening. Maybe if we go out again, I'll show you guys. I'll bring the camera along. It was pretty intense and crazy. There's a lot of funny stuff going on. You got people just kind of walking by, handing you these like little laminated posters telling you, do you want a ping pong show? Ping pong show? And if you don't know what a ping pong show is, I don't know whether or not you should Google this. But yeah, let's move on from there. Today we're gonna head to Koh Larn. It's a small island just off the coast, just to kind of be able to relax, get away from the city life, enjoy some time, feel the fresh air, you know, off the ocean here. I know you guys see this background. Lots of beautiful stuff, guys. But anyways, let's get going. How are you feeling today, my love?
I'm good.
Why are you peeling? Look at that. I know.
So pink.
Do you want the pink sausage? I know you like pink.
I want the pink sausage.
Okay, so we're on a big ferry boat. There's lots of people. Oh, this is fun. I hope I don't get motion sickness. So how many times have you been to Koh Larn?
Actually, this is my second time.
Only second time? So we finally landed here in Koh Larn. Yes, this island looks beautiful. Look at the mountains back there. See if you can zoom into that real quick. Don't fall. You ready, baby? You know, there's one thing about Thailand is there is literally a 7-Eleven on every corner. Not only every corner, but every mid-corner, every middle of the street, every dead end. 7-Elevens everywhere. That's expensive. That's too much.
Gasoline, food.
Oh, I know.
I give you food.
But that's too much. I can rent for 200.
Cannot.
Yes.
No.
I promise.
No.
Yeah. 200.
How many buy?
I don't know.
2 buy?
I don't know.
3 buy?
See, look, 300 right there. See?
Yes, same.
You're trying to tell me 400.
Tomorrow. Come on,
I love kids.
They're so cute. What are you looking at?
I don't know, I was just looking like, what is this? Because it has 70 calories, but I think it's like, I don't know what it is.
It's like some nuts. Are you shaking your nuts?
Why doesn't have the peanuts?
Yeah? Just like that? Mm-hmm.
India was here.
The best coconut in the world. So sweet, so fresh. Nothing, no bottle, no can could ever touch this coconut. You want to try? No? All to myself.
Okay, now I kind of want to try.
It's fresh. Alright, so we got some fresh ripe mango here on the beach. So perfect.
Wow, it's so ripe.
Right? It's perfect. Look at the juiciness. Doesn't get better.
Yeah, you can never trust Paul with telling you how nice things are. He's like, the water's so dirty. So bad. I hope it's cold.
Run! Really good.
Yeah. It's beautiful out here. So the relaxing time at the beach is now over. We had an amazing, amazing time. Beautiful water, like just calm and warm. It was literally the most perfect setting we could have had for this day. But yeah, so now we're heading back to the coast so that we can go back to Pattaya and get back to the hotel. And I'm thinking we're gonna get like a seafood buffet. Yeah. So we've gone to the hotel room, got cleaned up. Now we're having dinner. So the cool thing is that we just get everything from this little table over here, and then we bring it to our table right here. We cook it in front of us. Got the shrimp being grilled.
It's so hot.
So fresh.
Crispy. And then that's the meat.
Yes, true.
Perfect.
Hey.